Hello students, today in this video we'll see how an infix expression is been converted into prefix. Before converting an expression, you should know what are different priorities of operator. So here we have bracket as the highest priority. After that power symbol, after that multiplication and division, and the last is plus and minus. So when an expression contains the brackets, it is having the highest priority. After brackets power symbol, after power symbol multiplication and division, and after that plus and minus. Now we'll see how the expression has been converted with the help of stack. Here we have to study one algorithm. So algorithm says that first of all create a stack which holds the operator. After that split the input expression into tokens. Then scan each expression from right to left. If it is an operand, print the operand directly onto output string. If it is an closing bracket, push it onto stack. If it is an opening bracket, pop it and print everything from stack till you found the closing bracket. Now doesn't write the closing bracket onto the output screen. Now if the operator contains the operator, for example plus, minus, multiplication, division, power symbol, then compare the priority of operator. If the stack doesn't have any operator, then directly push the operator onto stack. But if stack contains an operator, then compare the input operator with the operator which is inside stack. If the incoming operator is having higher priority than the operator inside the stack, then push the incoming operator onto stack. But if the incoming operator is having less or equal priority than the operator inside the stack, then pop the operator from stack till you find any lower priority operator found. If the expression is ended, then pop remaining contents from stack and append it to output. Now we'll see how the actual process is done. So for doing the process, we have to follow this algorithm. Now here the expression is a plus b minus c divided by d into g. Now scan this expression from right to left. Okay. Now the first character is g here. Now g is nothing but an operand. So directly display it into output string. Next is multiplication. Now multiplication is an operator and stack doesn't have any operator. Stack is empty. So push it onto stack. Now next is d. d is operand. Directly display it onto output string. Now next is division. Now compare the priority. Division and multiplication. Now both the operator is having equal priority. So if there are equal priority operator, then pop the equal priority operator which is inside stack and push the incoming operator. So popping out and pushing the incoming operator. Now next is c. c is nothing but op. So directly display it onto output screen. After that subtraction. Now compare the priority. Subtraction and division. Now division is having highest priority and the subtraction is having lowest priority. So lowest priority operator cannot be pushed on the top of the stack. So division comes out from stack and subtraction is pushed to the stack. After that b. Now b is nothing but an operand. So display it onto output string. Now next is plus. Now compare plus and subtraction. Both operator is having equal priority. So pop up the subtraction and push the plus. Now next is a. a is nothing but operand. So display it onto output string. Now here expression is ended. So when the expression is ended, pop all the contents from stack. So stack contains only plus, so pop out plus. So this is the prefix conversion of infix expression. Now let us study one more example which contain brackets. Now according to the algorithm, when the closing bracket is there, we have to push it onto stack, and when the opening bracket is there, we have to pop the contents from stack till we found the closing bracket. So first read the expression from right to left. First character is closing bracket, so push it onto stack. Now next is E. E is nothing but operand, directly display it onto output string. After that multiplication. Now don't compare the multiplication with the brackets, don't compare the priority. Okay, so push it onto stack. Now next is C, directly display it onto output string. Next is closing bracket, sorry, opening bracket. So when the opening bracket is there, we have to pop the elements from stack till we get the closing bracket. And so here multiplication symbol is popped up and closing bracket is also popped up, but it will not displayed onto the output string. Now next is division, so push it onto stack. After that closing bracket, push it onto stack. B, operand, write it onto output string, plus. Now here don't compare the priority of plus and division because closing bracket is in between them, so push it onto stack. After that A is nothing but the operand, so display it onto output string. Now next is opening bracket, so pop the contents of stack till we found the closing bracket. So plus is popped up here and closing bracket is also popped up, but it is not written the output string. Now the expression is ended and stack contains one operator, division, so pop it out.